What's up everybody, good morning and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. I hope you're all having a great weekend and this Sunday, and in this video I just wanted to kind of talk about what Bitcoin has been doing in the last 24 hours because we have been bullish again. But I also wanted to talk about next week. Next week is going to be a pretty big week. The week afterwards is going to be even more important and even bigger, but still next week will definitely set the tone probably for the week afterwards. So we'll talk about that. So we'll talk about, we have to talk about some fundamentals then. So let's get right into it. Right now, as I said, Bitcoin over the last 24 hours, still very strong, still very bullish. Yesterday we were able to touch this level right here at around 23,300 by breaking above 22,800, which is also now serving as a support. Volume has gone up in the weekend, which usually doesn't happen, but well, today it does, and then you definitely do not hear me worrying about that. But apart from that, we have been strong, and it looks like right now that we're kind of doing the same thing as we were doing last week. Last week in the weekend we were also very bullish. Here you can see Friday, Saturday we were still bullish, and then Sunday and then the days afterwards we were, well, trending up a little bit, which for Bitcoin could mean trending up towards 23,750. or this level around 24,000, let's say it like that. There's a very strong technical resistance level around 23,900, but it's so close to 24,000 that will just batch them up in one level. And that, you know, it's kind of looking like we're doing the same. So that during the next few days and beginning of the week, that will slowly move up towards 24,000, and then, you know, we'll see whether we can actually get up towards 25,000 afterwards. The big thing though is, and what we have to know, and what's kind of an obstacle to that, is that, as most of you know, the inflation rates have been dropping for a couple of months, but the interest rates have still been increasing. And what really is the one thing that the rally of Bitcoin depends on is what the Federal Reserve does. They know that the inflation rates are dropping, but are they going to change the interest rates, or at least are they going to change the monetary policy? Because it's already pretty set in stone that the next time around, here you can see from the United States, it's February the 1st. We're already pretty sure that we're going from 4.5 to 4.75, but it's all about what they say with that. Will they keep increasing it for the entirety of 2023? Then we can still crash, all right? We can definitely still crash. So, and we'll crash down to 20,700, so maybe even down to 20,000 and 19,700. So that's the thing I'm afraid of, and that's also why, all right, I can tell you right now, technically we're looking the same as what we did last week, and therefore we could expect to move up to 25,000, which is true. But the Federal Reserve has to go with the economy, I would say it like that. Which is not what they have been doing. All right, last time around when the inflation was dropping, they didn't even talk about changing the monetary policy. So that's the big thing, because apart from that, in the entire crypto world, it's doing pretty. I mean, the crypto world's doing pretty fine. I mean, Genesis Global Lending obviously filed for bankruptcy, but that's now out of the way, and it does seem like their trading arm is still at least doing some things. They're probably losing some partners as well, but it's okay. It's moving money around. It's functioning. So the entire crypto market would definitely supply us with a move up to 25,000. However, if the Federal Reserve says, all right, we're not going to change the monetary policy, which I will keep you updated on that, don't worry, then we will crash regardless, because most of this move is actually built upon institutions buying, obviously, but also based on the sentiment that the economic circumstances in the world are changing, at least somewhat. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin. And just quickly, what I expect then is that I do expect us for the next couple of days to kind of trend up, to be able to get towards 23,500 and trend up towards 23,900. I don't think we'll be able to break that unless we get good news. I mean, if the Federal Reserve says that they will need to adjust the monetary policy, we could have a run all the way up to at least 25,000, probably even higher, but I'll update it then. But yeah, that's what I expect. That's what I expect technically and fundamentally. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.